Hey gems, this is Brittany Giselle and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be redoing my vanity. So I'm actually sitting at my vanity right now and I'm going to give you an overview of how it looks, like the before and the after. I've had this vanity for like 7-8 years. I've had it definitely as long as I've lived here, but I had it even before I've lived here. And it's just time for an upgrade. Like I just wanted something bigger with more space, just a different light situation. I just need something new. I've been revamping different areas in my apartment lately and it's time to do my vanity. And this over here is all part of my vanity as well. So I have a lot to redo, a lot to just change up over here. So I was looking, and the hard thing about my area is that it's a very specific area where I have it, and it's just like this wall from left to right. The measurements were a little tricky, so I had every vanity that I looked at and considered, I definitely had to look at the measurements, and that was stressful. So I decided, you know what, I'm just gonna do a desk and create my own vanity style. I looked up on YouTube a lot of videos, trying to get different ideas. This is not an idea that I saw, a video I saw on Instagram. This is not a video that I saw on YouTube. This is just something that I came across that works for my space. So I'm gonna put it together and we're gonna see how it looks, because I have no idea. I didn't get to visualize it in a sense of, okay, that's what my area might look like. So we're just gonna go with it. I got a table from IKEA. I will show you guys all the details of that, but in the meantime, let me turn this around so I can show you what my vanity is looking like. So this is my vanity space. That's where I was sitting. You see, it's just this very specific, I think it's 40 inches. And I had found a desk at IKEA that I thought fit, but I didn't consider the baseboards, so I had to remeasure it and consider the baseboard, so I had to fit, you know, inside of the baseboards. So the desk that I got now should fit in there like perfectly. So we're gonna give it a try. And I also got a light from IKEA. This I had made myself a while back, and I'm just kind of pretty much do the same thing, just with a different it's a mirror with some lights behind it. You guys, you'll see what it's looking like, because it's really cute. The desk that I got from IKEA is this one. So it is the Linman, and it comes with either white legs or black legs. I decided to go with white, and it's the Adils. So those are all the legs there. And then this here is a mirror. I got the storage arm. It's beautiful. I cannot wait to see it up. For storage underneath, I got this Lennart cart. Can't talk. I got this Lennart cart, and I'm hoping that it's tall enough. I honestly didn't do the measurements for it this time around, because I had changed. I wanted to get it. I changed my mind. We're gonna see if it fits or not. And I was thinking about doing like floating shelves on that wall where my calendar is, but I'm not sure yet. So I grabbed one of these just to see what it'll look like, and if I like it, then I'll go and get some more. I was thinking maybe like 3 or 4. I'm not exactly sure yet. Depends on how high the desk is once I, you know, put all of my stuff on there. So these are the items that I got. Let's go ahead and change this thing up. The desk is finally up. I'm gonna do the cart just to see how it'll fit underneath, and then I'll start working on the light, just because I feel like that's gonna take a little more work. I haven't done, it's not a light that I can just hang up. It has to be hardwired, which is what don't mind my mess, y'all. So the one that I had up here before, I did hardwire it, so I'm gonna have to like figure out how to do that with the new one, which I feel like is gonna take me a while. But in the meantime, I forgot to mention earlier, the chair that I have, I'm gonna keep that chair. It's not from IKEA. This one is actually from Walmart. Surprisingly, it's not from IKEA, but the bottom is silver. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take, like, when I got it, it came in 2 separate pieces, so I screwed it on. I'm gonna take the bottom off and I'm gonna spray paint it gold, and we're gonna have a whole different vibe because figured out how to work this. If you guys can see, I was struggling. It comes with this long piece, and this is one drawer, and then you have other pieces that you add to it. So what I needed to do was bend this up, and then now we'll put the front and the back of the drawer and clip them together. As much as I love IKEA, sometimes their stuff drives me crazy, but I still enjoy building. I don't know, I feel like it's a little therapeutic at times. The cart is built, so it took me a little bit to understand and grasp the concept of the drawers, but they are all made and they're in there. Now we're gonna slide it up under the desk, but if it's perfectly under there and when I put my chair underneath, then it's gonna look really good. So here's a little close-up of what we're doing. So I mentioned earlier that before on my last vanity lamp, I made it my own. So what I did was I disconnected these from that lamp, and I'm going to connect them to this. It's been a while since I did it, and to be honest, I just watched someone on YouTube. I couldn't remember, so I had to look it up real quick and do my research. I know this obviously goes together, but the black and the white wire, they're saying, like, from my understanding, it doesn't have to be a specific side, and I couldn't remember that, so I just wanted to double check, but they're saying it's not. So I'm gonna put them together, I'm gonna assemble it, and then I'm gonna try it out before I hang it up, just to make sure. And then the green one is called a ground wire, and that one is for fixtures that need to be in like humid areas, I guess, something like that. I'm not exactly sure, but I don't have to worry about that, so I'm not gonna stress it. That green one is just gonna be off to the side, and I'm gonna go ahead and connect the white to the white, the other white to the black, and then these are the electrical nuts. I'm gonna go ahead and put the electrical nuts on it, and then wrap it around with black electrical tape so that they stay in place. So let's go ahead and get started. So now we're gonna do the true test, plug it in and see if it works. Woo, baby, let there be light. Yes. I have to screw this part onto the wall first before putting the mirror on, but I'm gonna kind of do it a little backwards and then take it off and put it back on, because I want to sit here and figure out at what level would be good for me with the mirror on. Just so it's obviously my vanity mirror, and I'm gonna use it all the time. You kind of just slide it in. See these little notches here, and then the one at the top has a spring on it that goes up and then down. So now the mirror is on there. So here's the top. So it goes like this. So you saw how hype I was when I plugged the light in and it lit up. I was excited, I was happy, but I didn't take into account the lighting itself. And when I was trying to play around with this up here to adjust it and put it up on a wall, I realized it's very, very yellow, and that's not good lighting for a vanity, because I need some bright light. Like, it's an LED light in here, but I had to go online. I went on IKEA and I checked the wattage, or for an LED, I believe it said it's 80 lumen. Let me double check. I've been making stuff up sometimes. So this specific light fixture comes with 190 lumens. But upon my research, it says that a vanity light should have 1600 lumens. That's a big ass difference. And I'm kind of upset because I really wanted to get this project done and over with, but it doesn't look like that's going to be happening anytime soon, because now I have to go on a hunt for a new mirror. Like, let me see, I just put it here. It looks brighter in the store just because it's bright, it's airy, it's big. So I guess I didn't really consider, I didn't think about the light wattage or lumens. And now that I'm sitting here, I'm like, if I'm sitting here, it's starting to get dark outside and I wanted to do my makeup, this light is extremely too yellow for me to do my makeup. So now I'm back at square one as far as the lighting. I was considering the ones from like the Hollywood style, and I had looked at some on Amazon, so I'm gonna go on there and look again, see what those prices were. This mirror was $70, so unfortunately it has to go back because I'm not gonna stick with something that I know I'm not going to enjoy or be happy with. So I'm definitely gonna keep doing my research to see what the best lighting is and wattage or lumens. And when I figure out what my light situation is, I will be back. I'll be back to update you guys. But hey, I'm back. So it's been some time later. I'm not exactly sure how long ago was that last time that I had a misfit with the light, but I went ahead on Amazon. My sister referred me to a mirror, and I just got the package in today. This is from Vanity. I'll definitely make sure that I link this down below. So this is the mirror part itself, and then in this package came this box. It's also from the brand Vanity on Amazon. It's an LED vanity light kit. So these are the lights. This is the mirror frame itself down here. So let's put this baby up. Mirror came with these pieces here, a screwdriver, and these are the screws and the anchors. Let there be light. Oh, it's a tap. It's a tap.
I can't talk about you and me right now.
I'm gonna take this and this and put them around. Maybe I should have started it a different way. Maybe I should have started. This is just a trial and error type situation because I'm gonna just pop them in. Whoa! There is lights. All right, now it's time to put the back on it. So if I ever decide to hang it, I'll use these two, so I'm gonna put it on this way. And it'll go up like this. Well, I got the back on. Ta-da! And now I'm gonna position it where I'm gonna put it at here. Oh. Whoop, there it is. I might have to hang it up. It might make sense to hang it up because the light is up, the desk is up. Now I'm gonna peel this off. It's so satisfying. Now I will say I will say the light stand is a little wobbly, so I think I'm definitely gonna mount it eventually. So the last part to completing my vanity is redoing this chair. I'm gonna spray paint the legs gold just because I'm tired of looking at the silver, and I have gold accents in my room. So we're gonna take the chair apart, gonna take the legs off, and we're gonna take it outside and spray paint it. So I feel like parts of it still look silver.
Yep.
So this is what my vanity area is looking like so far. I know it's been a little while, but I've been really trying to get it together to make it look presentable, but I definitely do have to declutter. I've been trying to find more storage boxes. And then I have some stuff over here that I need to declutter as well. But the mirror is up, the desk is up, the cart, the drawers, except for the shelf. The shelf that I got from IKEA is down there. I'm not sure if I'm going to put that shelf up quite yet. I'm not sure how I feel about having it up on the wall over here. I have that painting, and I think I'm going to put my other paintings up there as well. I haven't decided yet, but I'm thinking about it. So here's a little up close. These I just got recently, and I got them from Target Dollar Spot. They have a lot of storage stuff, so I picked those up. And hey. If you enjoyed watching this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Make sure to comment down below and share this video with others that may be interested. Thanks for watching.